Here's how to reset trip A and B on a Toyota Corolla. And this one's a 2016, but as long as you have this setup right here, like that, and you've got the display button right there, this video will work for you. All right, so we're gonna start off by hitting this display button once, and that is gonna be trip A. You hold the display button down, and it resets. Hit it one more time, it'll go to trip B, hold it down, and it'll reset. And that's how you reset trip A and B on a Toyota Corolla. Thank you for watching my video, guys. If you liked it, please hit that like button and also subscribe if you want to watch more of my videos. In my description, I do have referral links. They have referral bonuses and ways for you to save money in life. Just simple ways of doing the exact same thing you already do every day.